Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to gain weight naturally and effectively, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful home remedies that will help you add those extra pounds in a healthy way. Whether you're a man or a woman, these tips are for you. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about nuts and seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, proteins, and essential nutrients. Incorporate a mix of almonds, cashews, chia seeds, and flax seeds into your daily diet. You can add them to your smoothies, salads, or just have them as a snack. They are versatile and can be included in various meals. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure to have a handful of nuts and seeds every day. Next, we have whole grains. Whole grains are excellent sources of carbohydrates and provide sustained energy. Opt for bread made from whole wheat, oats, or barley, and choose cereals like muesli or granola. These not only help you gain weight but also improve your overall health. Whole grains are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion. Moving on, let's not forget about dairy products. Full-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt are fantastic options to include in your diet. They're rich in calories, proteins, and essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Try having a glass of milk with your meals, add cheese to your sandwiches, or enjoy a bowl of yogurt with fruits. These can be easily incorporated into your daily meals. Now let's talk about smoothies and shakes. These are super easy to make and can be tailored to your taste. Blend together bananas, milk, peanut butter, and a handful of oats for a nutrient-dense shake. You can also add protein powder if you're looking to boost your intake. This is a great way to ensure you're getting enough calories and nutrients. Drink this once or twice a day to see great results. It's a delicious and effective way to gain weight. Last but definitely not least, exercise. Yes, you heard that right. Engaging in regular exercise, especially strength training, helps build muscle mass and contributes to healthy weight gain. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Remember, muscle weighs more than fat, and gaining muscle will make you feel stronger and healthier. Plus, it improves your overall fitness and well-being. So, there you have it. 5 natural and effective ways to gain weight fast for both men and women. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, stay consistent, and don't forget to listen to your body. It's important to be patient and persistent. Gaining weight healthily is a journey, and with the right approach, you'll get there. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
बच्चों में सूखापन और कमजोरी को दूर करके उन्हें बनाता है हर पल सेहतमंद, तंदुरुस्त और तवाना। सेहतमंद जिंदगी की मजबूत बुनियाद। यूनिक हर्बल बेबी कोर्स। मुज़र असरात से पाक यूनिक हर्बल बेबी कोर्स ऑर्डर करें और घर बैठे हासिल करें।